GTX-A, the inaugural line in the GTX series, is scheduled to commence operations in March of the upcoming year. Let's delve into the details of GTX today. What is GTX? GTX, short for Great Train Express, serves as a high-speed metropolitan railway, swiftly connecting crucial areas within the metropolitan zone. It operates through a methodology involving tunnels dug more than 40 meters below the surface to lay its tracks. Unlike conventional subway systems, which navigate curves, GTX follows a linear path, enabling speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour, far surpassing the 60 to 80 kilometers per hour average. Understanding the introduction of GTX requires a glimpse into Gyeonggi-do's history. Once a rural province, it saw urban development as Seoul's population soared past 10 million. To accommodate the growing populace and their employment in Seoul, new cities emerged in Gyeonggi-do. However, as commuting times lengthened with the increasing population, the need for GTX arose. Although GTX is a fixture in Korea, similar systems exist globally. London, England, boasts the Crossrail, connecting the urban areas, while Paris, France, features the RER. Analysis suggests that Crossrail's operations stimulated extensive housing development and economic rejuvenation beyond London's boundaries. GTX routes. The GTX network currently comprises three primary lines: Line A, Line B, and Line C. Line A, spanning 53.4 kilometers and due to start operating in March 2024, connects Unjong and Paju to Dongtan, passing through significant locations like Ilsan KINTX, Seoul Station, and Seongmin. Line B, an 82.7-kilometer route set to open in 2030, will bridge the western and eastern regions from Songdo in Incheon to Namyeongju in Gyeonggi-do. Line C, covering 85.9 kilometers and expected to commence operations in 2028, will link the southern and northern areas, running from Yangju in Gyeonggi-do to Suwon. GTX and the debate on metropolitan megacity. The discussion surrounding the integration of Gimpo, Gyeonggi-do, into Seoul and the potential emergence of a megacity hinges on the impact of the GTX system. Proponents suggest that the connectivity offered by GTX could effectively merge Seoul and Gyeonggi-do into a unified living space, potentially laying the groundwork for a metropolitan megacity. However, dissenting voices counter this by arguing that while the GTX improves convenience for residents of both regions, the administrative amalgamation of Gyeonggi-do into Seoul might be impractical. They caution that the introduction of the new railway system could inadvertently disperse the concentration of the metropolitan area, potentially leading to unintended consequences or side effects.